Can you help me? I'm looking for basic campus.
Oh, sure, I know.
Oh, really? How can I get there?
Just drive on this road, you will see a traffic light.
Okay, and then?
After traffic light, turn left. Walk about 200 meters, and you will see BSI campus on your right.
Is it near the gas station?
Yes, it's right.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome.
Hello, my name is Yudhistira. My class is 17.1B.07. My name is 1724560. I will present material about adverbial clauses of time and string temporal connection. Welcome to this presentation on adverbial clauses of time. We'll explore how these essential grammatical structures help you specify when action occurs, enhancing clarity and precision in English communication. What is an adverbial clause? Definition. An adverbial clause is a dependent clause that functions as an adverb, modifying a verb, adjective, or another adverb. It contains a subject and a verb. Function. These clauses provide crucial context, answering questions such as when, where, why, how, to what extent, or under what condition. Think of an adverbial clause as a mini sentence that adds specific detail to the main action, just like single adverbs do. Next, what is an adverbial clause of time? An adverbial clause of time is specific type of adverbial clauses that pinpoints when an action in the main clause occurs. It directly answer the question when. Tell when. It specifies the timing of the event described in the independent clause. 2. Example. I will call you when I arrive. Here, when I arrive tells the exact moment of the call. Understanding these clauses is key to expressing sequence of events and temporal relationships accurately. Common time conjunction. Simultaneous action. When, at the same time, while, during the time that, as, at the same time, or as a result. Sequential action. Before, prior to, after. Subsequent to, as soon as, immediately when. Duration or point in time. Since, from a past time until now, until or till, up to the time that. These conjunctions are the gateway to forming complex sentences that preciously define temporal relationship. Example with when. I was reading a book when my friend called. In this sentence, the action of my friend called occurred during the ongoing action of I was reading a book. When connects the main clause to the time specific action. When is versatile, it can indicate simultaneous even or one even interrupting another. Example with while. She listened to music while she studies. Here, while she studies indicates that listening to music and studying are happening concurrently, while emphasizes the duration of the simultaneous action. This conjunction is especially useful for describing two activities occurring in parallel. Example with since and until. Since I have lived here since I was a child. Since mark the beginning of a period of time that continues up to the present, showing duration from a past point. Until he will stay at the office until he finishes his work, until specifies the end point of an action or step, indicating that something continues up to that moment. These conjunctions are crucial for describing period and limits in time. Structure of adverbial clauses of time. 1. Flexibility in placement. Adverbial clauses of time can appear either at the beginning or at the end of a sentence without changing the core meaning. 2. Beginning placement. After I finish my homework, I will watch TV. A comma is required after the clause when it begins the sentence. 3. End placement. I will watch TV after I finish my homework. No comma is needed when the clause comes at the end. This flexibility allows for variation in sentence structure and emphasis. Next, summary, mastering time clause. Core function. Adverbial clauses of time specify when an action takes place, answering the question when. Practice makes perfect. Integrate these clauses into your daily English conversation and writing to enhance your fluency. Key conjunction. Remember common conjunction like when, while, before, after, since, until, and as soon as. Sentence structure. They contain a subject and verb and can be placed at the beginning. Use a comma or end of a sentence. Keep practicing and soon you'll be using adverbial clauses of time with confidence and precision. That's all the presentation from me. Peace be upon you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.